Simple and easy natural home remedies. To increase height. Take 3 dates and cook them in hot milk, then grind them and drink its juice. For weight loss. Add 1 tablespoon honey in warm water and drink in the morning. For joint pain. Eat beetroot. It strengthens the liver and produces new blood. Pistachio gives strength to the brain. Quenches thirst. Gives strength to stomach and protects against epidemics. Simple remedy for removing kidney stones. Consume 6 grams of celery daily. Kidney stones will pass out surely. If there is vomiting, nausea or stomach pain, so chew big cardamom and drink water from above. For making children powerful. Add red beans in their diet. It replenishes iron deficiency and make the children strong. For nasal cyst. Add 3 to 4 cardamom in 2 glass of water. Cook, then when 1 glass remaining, drink it without sugar. Fig benefits. Saves from cancer. Saves from heart disease. It also lowers cholesterol level. Prevents high blood pressure. Good for bones health. Also useful for sugar patients. Treatment of kidney stone. Take 1 spoon of honey, lemon juice and olive oil and mix them in half glass of water. Drink it 15 days for removing kidney stone.